Hi, it's Sarah Ann Smith here. Today I'm going to share with you how to move a zipper pull past a presser foot on your sewing machine. I'm working on a home deck project for 24-inch square floor pillows for my daughter-in-law's kindergarten classroom. You don't want stray threads getting caught in the zipper, so I'm using the Overcast stitch, which is similar to a serger stitch, on my Janome M7 Continental. I'm also going to be using this presser foot. You can see outlined that there are several wires. There is also a little ice skating blade on the end of it, similar to what you use with a 1/4-inch piecing foot. I'm now going to carefully swivel the camera around and zoom in, I hope, on the presser foot. We're going to push the button to put the presser foot down, and I'm going to simply lift this up a little bit, slide the foot underneath, and snap it into place. I'm going to snap it into place. There we go. Pull the threads underneath the presser foot. And now I'm going to align that ice skating blade with the edge of the zipper tape. I'm going to sew a few inches for you. As you can see, the ice skating blade keeps the zipper tape and the fabric aligned and the stitch right on the edge of the fabric. The needle moves over the wires, and the wires help prevent puckering and tunneling. This time the needle has stopped to the outside edge of the fabric. I want it on the fabric when I lift the presser foot so that the needle will hold everything in place. I'm going to use the needle up and needle down button to move that. Let's move it one more all the way over. Now it's on the far left drop of the stitch. What I'm going to do is take my foot completely off the presser foot, or the gas pedal. And I can either lift the presser foot manually with the lever in the back, or I can use the knee lever. So there it's down, and here it's back up. I'm now going to reach underneath and grab this big zipper pull. This is comparable. It's sturdy for upholstery. It's about the same size and weight as a jacket, and you can see it just slides right past underneath. I let the foot back down, and then I can resume sewing. And that's how you deal with the presser foot and the pull tab on both garments and home deck projects. Hope this has helped.